Hi, and welcome to another episode of the Wapice IoT Lab, this time with a focus on manufacturing. Let's get started. So let's talk about manufacturing. IoT-TICKET is used a lot by domain-leading companies like Scheffler, Caverion, Danfoss to build their digital service portfolio and to renew and innovate. Now, in general, IoT-TICKET is utilized to build condition monitoring applications, performance optimization applications, digital services, performance-based services to reduce costs, create new revenue streams, and improve health and safety records. One of the highlights presented this year is Scheffler, the Scheffler Group. So Scheffler is a global automotive and industrial company from Germany, and they selected IoT-TICKET as their global IoT platform to build new type of services on it. So the first solution Scheffler launched was Uptime. Uptime is a highly scalable IoT solution. It easily integrates hundreds of assets even within a day and achieves cost savings of up to 50% compared to manual work. Scheffler utilized the whole IoT-TICKET feature set here. So from the dashboards, the reports, logic, the data flows, and even completed that with a mobile application and edge functionality. Another case we would also like to highlight here is Caverion. So Caverion used IoT-TICKET for their IoT Flex service, and they have some really amazing cases. In 2019, Tuomo Härkönen, Chief Digital Officer from Caverion, presented really major cost savings in the condition monitoring domain, really ranging in the hundreds of thousands of euros, and then clean room monitoring in silicon weaver factories. Or another case he presented was cavitation detection in hydropower plants. So all of these cases really create immediate benefits for them and their customers, which again translate in new revenue streams, cost savings, and improvements. Some of the key selection criteria for those companies has been return on investment and time to market. So using a full end-to-end feature set that is very, very easy to use to immediately reap the benefits of Internet of Things applications. Another criteria has been to transition and become a real innovation force in their field. So utilizing IoT-TICKET as an innovation platform, roll that out and have citizen development. So really a low-code solution where everybody in the company can contribute, from a person in the service field to actually the expert and the software developer. So at Wapice, we always push the boundaries, what's possible. And as you could have seen from the customer cases, we a lot of times put great technology into action to really make a benefit for society. So, but what's new from the lab? So straight from the lab, I would like to show some of the highlights. So one of these things is the multi-camera people and asset tracking solution that we've been working on. So using multiple cameras to actually track assets or people, like for example here in this video, where we track meeting room usage by people, identifying them, tracking them, and then keeping track where they are and how the meeting rooms are utilized. And another case is using cameras for 3D positioning. So here in this case, you can see we can track assets in 3D space. And this is actually useful, for example, for factories or for self-driving vehicles. Another case to highlight here is quality inspection. So you can use machine learning to detect states that are healthy or unhealthy. So in particular interesting for final quality inspection. Another case we've been working on was also audio analysis. So a lot of times you have machine rooms somewhere out in the field, and then utilizing machine learning actually to detect if there are problems with the machine. So people do not need to go there and check locally the condition of the asset, but you can do that automatically. So if there's a noise emitted, you immediately know there is a problem, and IoT-TICKET can tell you that there should be somebody looking at it. Another really interesting case is health and safety. So detecting, tracking people if they actually wear their safety equipment. And last but not least, facial recognition. So knowing who a person is can be very valuable. So from opening doors to having them access certain areas, or actually giving them the permission to control a machine or an asset. So all of these cases are really innovative, pushing the boundaries in the field and really creating new types of IoT possibilities. So we would be happy to discuss the cases further with you. Please tell us your area that you're working on and you would like to solve, and our guys are more than happy to help you. So please feel free to get in touch with our experts.